Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by quickly checking the kit and opening it. Don't delay. You need to confirm expiration dates and remove damaged packaging because expired meds or broken tools fail when you need them most. Once done, inventory core items: dressings, antiseptic wipes, adhesive tape, gloves, tweezers, scissors. Make sure the box is accessible and labeled for everyone. If something is missing, write a short list and prioritize buying the top 3 items within 24 hours. You should now sort and organize supplies so you can act fast under stress. Start by grouping items into categories: bleeding control, wound care, immobilization, and personal protective equipment, because this reduces search time when seconds count. Once grouped, label compartments clearly and place frequently used items on top. Make sure prescription meds are in a sealed, labeled pouch with dosage notes. Regularly check that labels remain legible and that small items are contained. You finish by establishing maintenance and brief practice routines so the kit stays reliable. Schedule monthly checks and replace used or expired items immediately. This prevents surprises during an emergency. Practice 2 core skills: applying pressure to stop bleeding and dressing a simple wound so you feel confident under pressure. Make sure the box contains up-to-date emergency contacts and concise instructions. If a step fails, like missing supplies, use the troubleshooting tip. Improvise with clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.